Hey guys, we're talking about the marine version of our loudspeakers. So, all of our loudspeakers can be used outside. They're all made with A4 316 stainless hardware, but marine, there are extra things that need to be done for the ocean. So we're providing those extra things. For example, using a A4 input plate and a gland with a marine wire. A marine wire is different because the copper is tinned. So we have a less of a galvanic reaction between copper and any other metal that you're connecting it to. The other difference is, you can't see here, is that the front and rear grille is clear stainless, A4 316, whereas on other models, the grills are galvanized and then powder coated. So that would be the difference between the marine model and the standard model. So now we have in the Canons an M version, an I version install that has the terminal block, and a production version, which is the speak-on connector. And that would be the difference between our three models.